So I had this thing running this morning and I noticed a little noise, and it was coming from where this exhaust pipe tucks up under the body, touching there a little bit, and every so often it makes a little kind of noise, but I think that'd probably be pretty easy to fix. Take a screwdriver and a hammer and bend some metal around that. But I'm not working on that today. I have ordered a new brake light sending unit. The one that's on there is made out of nylon. It has nylon threads, and they've stripped so that I can't adjust the sending unit and have it stay. So I found one at O'Reilly's that has a steel threaded shaft, and I ordered it, but so far I haven't gotten a message that they've got it in yet, but I'm waiting for that. So for today's adventure, I'm going to be putting the new brake light sending unit on the rat rod. I will show you what I have, and then I'll show you what I have on here as soon as I get it off. This is the new one. It came from O'Reilly's. Now this is superior to the one that's on there because it has an adjustable shaft on it that's metal. The one that I have on there is made of nylon, and this shaft stripped so that it's impossible to adjust it to the right place. This actually should have 2 screws and not just one. I don't know why they just sent me 1 screw, but oh, it is what it is. I'll find another one to fit it, and then we'll put that one on. That should do the trick. I'll test it and everything to make sure. Oh, the joy. Okay, here's why I had to replace this one. Is this had nylon threads in it, and they're stripped. You notice how this little nut here is all crooked? Well, I couldn't adjust it. These threads were stripped, so by putting the other one on there, had a good metal shaft, I could adjust it right so that now I can show you. Take my broom handle, stick it right over here, put it on the clutch pedal, put this on the light. See it working? Isn't that a beautiful thing? That's what we want. We want it to work instead of almost work or not work or sometimes work. Brake lights don't do you any good if they don't actually work. Oh, the joy. I wonder what else we can get into today. I'm thinking I started yesterday toward getting this refrigerator ready to be turned into a trailer in conjunction with Luke Palioka, who's coming to visit in a few days. So I may spend a little more time gathering pieces and parts for that. First of all, I'll get the rat rod down off of the lift here, and we'll go from there. Love y'all.